For this activity, I'm going to show you how to play Blooket. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click where it says Tower Defense 2, Properties of Matter. You're going to hit Continue to go to this link. Now it's going to ask you your name. Just type it in there. Hit Enter. You're going to hit New Game. Then it's going to let you choose a map, just whichever one looks fun. And then your difficulty. If you want to just start with easy or normal if this is new to you. I'm going to do easy. And if you ever do want a tutorial later, it's going to give you this option. For now, I'm just going to click no. But later on, when you start this, if you want another refresher, you can hit the yes. So the goal is to try to get through 20 rounds, or at least see how far along you can get with this game. Cool. So it's going to ask you a question, and you're going to have to choose the correct answer. So it tells you the question. So I'm going to look at all the answers. Choose that. It'll let you know if you're wrong. Then I'm going to click to go next. And it's going to keep asking you a couple more questions. And then in a second, we're going to get to the game part. All right, so now we've answered a couple questions. What's going to happen is we're going to have some little guys coming here, and we have to find some little figures that will stop them from getting to the other side. Now, as you get questions correctly, you're going to earn coins. So up here you see I got 50. So I can choose anything that's 50 or less. I can't get these ones that are super expensive, but I can get some of the cheaper ones. So let me say I'm going to click 1. And you see over here, it's going to give you a little bit of information, like how much damage it does, how far it shoots. And then you select where you want to put that. So I'm going to put this here, because you can see it's got a little circle showing the range. All right, now I'm going to come down over here to start. Now you see you got these little blocks coming, and this little guy is going to attack those. That way they cannot get through over here. So that was an easy round, but as we continue to go on, there's going to be more guys, more enemies, and you're going to need to buy more of these over here to keep them from going to the next side. So you're just going to keep going, answering questions. You may get the same questions over and over, and that's okay. And you're going to continue to see how high in the rounds you can get. Remember how high in the rounds you get, because that's going to be your exit ticket. So I'm going to come over here, and you see down here we have the exit ticket. Click that. It's going to ask what was your latest round. So you want to say how far you got. Maybe you got all round 20, or maybe you only got to 12. However far you got, you're going to write it here, type it, and then click post.